Sri R.P. Sisodiya, Special Chief Secretary to the Governor, Professor C.S.P. Rao, Director of National Institute of Technology, Andhra Pradesh, Directors of NITs who are participating in today's program, members of faculty, staff and students, a very good evening to you all. It gives me immense pleasure to participate as the chief guest in today's symposium on Vision of NEP 2020 on research and extracurricular parameters for holistic education. I am glad to note that two symposia are being organized as part of the conclave under the umbrella of National Education Policy 2020. I am glad to know that the NIT Andhra Pradesh, the youngest among all the NITs in the country, has taken steps to establish the required infrastructure and adapted swiftly to the virtual classroom platform environment during the COVID pandemic situation by utilizing the latest available technology and living up to the academic expectation of the Ministry of Higher Education, Government of India. I am happy to learn that the authorities have taken several steps to provide additional amenities and facilities to students by construction of additional buildings in the institute's premises. Since my last visit to participate in the first convocation held in January 2020. At this juncture, I used to draw your attention to the significant aspects of the National Education Policy 2020. The National Education Policy 2020 is one of the important policies framed by Government of India with a far-sighted vision of nurture and orient the younger generation of the country in the path of development. NEP 2020 is an inclusive framework focusing on revamping the system from elementary level of education to higher education in the country. The objective of an education system is to ensure that no child loses an opportunity to learn and excel because of circumstances of birth or background. NEP 2020 with a target of 100% gross employment ratio in school education by 2030 will be an enabling factor for realizing this objective. The NEP 2020 emphasizes on the holistic and multidisciplinary education and development of future generations. NEP 2020 lays down the guidelines for all educational institutions across the country, irrespective of the level of education or discipline. NEP 2020 is categorized into four important parts, namely school education, higher education, other key areas, and a roadmap outlining the strategies to make it happen. The second part of the visionary policy deals with the higher education institutions and restructuring and revamping of the academic courses. As the country is moving towards a knowledge economy and society, more and more young Indians are likely to aspire for higher education. A quality higher education must enable personal accomplishment and enlightenment, constructive public engagement, and productive contribution to the society. It must prepare students for a more meaningful and satisfactory lifestyle and impart them the sense of responsibility and empower them with economic independence. The holistic education shall make the younger generation to be more vibrant, socially engaged, and build cooperative communities for realization a happier, cohesive, cultured, productive, innovative, progressive, and prosperous nation. The policy lays a great deal of emphasis on the challenges currently faced in the higher education system in the country and the steps to be taken to over the same. Evidence from the world's best universities throughout the history shows that the best teaching and learning processes at the higher education level occur in environments where there is also a strong culture of research and knowledge creation. Knowledge creation and research are critical in growing and sustaining a large and vibrant economy, uplifting society, and continuously inspiring a nation to achieve even greater heights. Despite this critical importance of research, the research and innovation investment in India is at the current time only 0.69% of GDP as compared to 2.8% in the United States of America, 4.3% in Israel, and 4.2% in South Korea. In the purview of improving the abilities of research scholars, the policy encourages that all face PhD enters, irrespective of their discipline of study, will be required to take credit-based courses in teaching, education, pedagogy, writing, etc., related to their chosen subject in the doctoral training period. Doctoral students shall be required to acquire teaching experience through teaching assistantships. The utilization of technology platforms such as NPTEL, Swayam, Diksha for online training of teachers will be encouraged so that standardized training programs can be administered to a large number of teachers within a short duration. I am glad to note that the NIT Andhra Pradesh has already taken steps to orient its PhD research scholars in this direction since the past 1 year. Another important aspect of the NEP 2020 is that catalyze quality academic research in all fields through a newly established National Research Foundation with an aim to ensure that the culture or research permeates in all universities. A robust ecosystem of research is perhaps more important than ever before with the rapid changes occurring in the world today in the development of optical material for phonetic technology, realm of climate change, population dynamics and management, biotechnology, and expanding digital marketplace and the rise of machine learning and artificial intelligence, pollution control, etc. The societal challenges that India needs to address today, such as access for all its citizens to clean drinking water, and sanitation, quality education and healthcare, improved transportation, air quality, energy and infrastructure will require the implementation of approaches and solutions that are not only informed by top-notch science and technology, but are also rooted in a deep understanding of the social sciences and humanities and the various socio-cultural and environmental dimensions of the nation. Facing and addressing these challenges will require high-quality interdisciplinary research across field and must be done in India and cannot simply be imported. The ability to conduct one's own research also enables a country to much more easily import and adopt relevant research from abroad. I have no doubt that National Education Policy 2020 would transform the education sector in the country as it focuses on making education accessible, equitable, inclusive, and will play an important role in shaping future generations of this country. Thank you all. Jai Hind.